How to see who is behind a fake Instagram account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see who is behind a fake Instagram account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there is no direct way you can know who is behind a fake account in Instagram. There are few techniques that you can use, such as you can just stalk their account and check out their activities. So first, simply open up that very fake account, and yeah, after you do that, make sure that you are following them or they're following you. Now the reason for that is if their account is private, you cannot actually know what they're doing, so there will not be any way that you can know who that account belongs to. After you're on the followers list, what you can do is you can actually check their followers and followings. After you check the followings and followers, you can actually find out who they are. If you find any mutuals that you think is, uh, fuck. So what you can do in mutuals is that you can connect different people. You can, narrow it down to some people. And after you narrow it down to few people who those mutual indicate, you can actually find out who this fake account belongs to. Now you can check their posts as well. You can check their, tagged photos and tagged videos. And even after doing that, you should be able to find out who the fake account belongs to. So I hope this video helped you guys. Thanks for watching. That is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.